Alright, day one post-surgery. Well, day two. I spent yesterday in the hospital, got out this morning, got home by this afternoon, and took a nap, got up and made dinner, and the instructions called to take the bandages off here and here, so I just did that. That's why I'm a little shaky and probably a little peaked looking, but this is where we're at. Much progress made in the last couple of weeks. So, yeah, I has a nose. It's a nose. Alright, guys, more updates to come. Got to work on changing the dressings on the Mohs surgery on the side. But I'm going to take a little break right now. My hands are a little shaky from peeling that super grippy tape off around the new stuff. Alright, here we are, day two after the surgery. It's about, 48 hours after I went in. So, the bandages are off the front, and it's starting to look already pretty good. The nose actually looks like a nose now, so yeah, Goth Rider, you can chill on the junk pictures or the comments like I was thinking. But yeah, so I'm not sure how good this is going to show up. I'm going to try to get the cheek where they did that one. So that looks pretty gnarly too. But again, that'll heal up like the top of my head did. So that's almost all gone. There's going to be a line there. He said as this heals, once the stitches are out and everything's down, that I'll be doing like what you call it, like a lotion, like oil of Olay, but with SPF 15 or higher in it, and that's supposed to even make the scars disappear even more. So might actually be pretty again at some point. So progress is progress, and the diagnosis is these spots are now cancer free. They've dug it all out and made it go bye-bye. So now it's all down to the healing process. And hopefully after all those years doing construction, this doesn't pop up in other places. So, on to recovery. Alright, next update, here it is, Saturday, November 1st, and we are healing up pretty darn good. So, that's what the head and scalp's looking like. This area right here, when like I move my eyes around and stuff like that, it still burns a lot in there. I don't know why that is, but they said that's normal. And that's the only reason I've been taking any pain meds whatsoever now at this point. Basically, I'll take one in the morning when I first get up, and probably about 9 or so at night. Because when this gets going, this all gets tense, and then this starts to get in a heartbeat and thumping. But there is what the nose is looking like. We actually have a nose. That's always a good thing, right? And of course, trying to shoot the side of my goofy looking head with without being able to see where the camera is. And that's the scar on the cheek. That's healing up all good. Just gotta get the shaving the fuzzies off of there so I can get back to growing my beard back and get to pulling the stitches out as they dry out and get ready to go. But all in all, it's a nose. It's still swelled up, still taking shape, so I assume it's got a while to go. But you can see right here on the very tip, this is all bonded really well, and looks like there's going to be a little bit of scarring here, but they say I should be getting like something like oil of Olay with SPF 15 or more and treating those areas for the next year at minimum, and that should soften up the scarring underneath and make it go away. So all in all, we are getting back to normal. Appreciate all you guys that are following and asking for updates and sending well wishes and all that, man. It is so appreciated, and it does make going through this a whole lot easier. So love you guys, and I'll get this post up here shortly.